Hey everyone, this is Vertu. Today I'm going to show you how you can learn a language by using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a trendy way of learning and practicing a new language, and I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT for my target language. Now let's get started. Hey, how's it going?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? Everything going well on your end?
Yes, everything is going good. I want to practice German today.
That sounds awesome. I'm always up for some German practice. What would you like to focus on today? Are you looking to practice vocabulary, sentence structure, or maybe just have a conversation?
I want to focus on building new sentences and learning new conjugations of the verbs. But during our practice, I want you to speak in English. Your explanations and breakdowns must be in English. When you have to make a sentence in German, you can speak German, okay?
Got it. We can definitely do that. So I'll keep all the explanations in English, and when we form sentences, I'll switch to German. Let's start with a verb. Is there any particular verb you want to work on, or should we pick one at random?
We can learn the verb to have breakfast. How can I say to have breakfast in German?
The verb for to have breakfast in German is frühstücken. It's a regular verb, so it follows the standard conjugation patterns. We can practice forming some sentences with it if you'd like.
Then can you check my sentence? Like I'm going to try to make a sentence for I have breakfast with my family. So is it ich frühstücke mit meiner Familie? Is that true?
Yes, that's perfect. Ich frühstücke mit meiner Familie is exactly how you'd say I have breakfast with my family in German. Great job on that sentence.
I see. Okay, so if I want to talk about my hobbies, should I use the verb mögen, which is to like?
Yes, exactly. You can use the verb mögen to talk about what you like. For example, if you want to say, I like playing football, you could say, ich mag Fußball spielen. So it's a great verb to use when talking about hobbies and interests.
You said ich mag. So the conjugation is irregular.
That's right. Mögen is an irregular verb. In the first person singular, it becomes ich mag, and in the second person singular, it's du magst. So it does have some unique changes in its conjugation, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature.
So can you tell me the conjugation of the verb mögen for all pronouns?
Of course. For ich, it's ich mag. For du, it's du magst. For sie, or es, it's mag, sie mag, or es mag. For wir, it's wir mögen. For ihr, it's ihr mögt. And for sie, or the formal sie, it's sie mögen. So it does have a few changes, but you'll get used to them quickly.
Okay, if I want to ask someone, do you like talking with me? Should I say, mögen Sie mit mir sprechen?
Yes, that's correct. In a formal way, you would say, mögen Sie mit mir sprechen, which means, do you like talking with me? Formally, we use Sie and the corresponding conjugation mögen, so.
To learn Turkish, we can have a practice, right? You can teach me Turkish as well.
Of course, I'd be happy to help you practice Turkish as well. We can definitely switch things up and do some Turkish lessons whenever you want. Just let me know what you'd like to learn and we'll dive right in.
Can you tell me how you can say, I like playing football in Turkish?
Sure. In Turkish, you would say, futbol oynamayı seviyorum. So that's how you'd express that you like playing football.
Okay, futbol oynamayı seviyorum. Oynamak is to play.
Exactly. Oynamak means to play, and when you turn it into oynamayı, it means playing in the sense of liking that activity. You got it right.
But you add ı, like I, at the end of oynamak, and it becomes oynamayı. Is it because accusative case?
Yes, exactly. In Turkish, when you use a verb as an object of a verb, like to like, you put it into the accusative case. So oynamak becomes oynamayı to show that it's the thing you like.
Okay, ChatGPT, thank you for helping me out. So guys, I guess you understood how I use ChatGPT for learning and practicing a new language. I think you can use that to practice whatever language you are trying to learn. And this is how I use ChatGPT for my language learning journey. If you have questions or if you want to say something, you can comment under this video. Thank you and bye.